Hi. Today we're going to talk about clarifications. A clarification, similarly to connections and observations, which we've already talked about, is a way to identify significant pieces of text and explain their significance. Clarification is a little bit more in depth. A clarification is a little deeper level of thought as applied to a specific text because we're talking about theme specifically, and thematic statements. We talked first semester about the difference between elements of theme and theme. If we're looking at the other side of truth, we have a couple elements of theme that have already surfaced, specifically truth and human rights. Your job in coming up with a thematic statement is to tell us exactly what the author, Beverly Naidoo, is saying about truth or human rights. You also will need to tell us, using text excerpts embedded and written or typed in appropriate MLA format. Let's look at an example. From the first semester, we read The Giver. The Giver dealt with specific themes such as emotion, memory. This thematic statement deals with emotion, talking about the absence of pain, protecting from pain, but also preventing us from being truly happy. As you can see, the way this is formatted, the thematic statement is typed at the top of the page and is followed by 1, 2, 3 text references. Each of those text references is followed by an explanation. The explanation explains the text reference and how it relates to the theme. You'll notice that it happens for the first. There's an explanation for the second text reference, and finally the third. This is the proper way to format a clarification. Notice also that it is written in appropriate MLA format with the page number, author's last name, and the end punctuation following. These would all be type 1 of embedding evidence. You will need to do 2 different themes for the novel The Other Side of Truth. So that means that for one theme, you'll have 3 text references and 3 explanations. You will do another theme which will have its 3 text references and 3 explanations. So all told, 2 themes, 6 text references, 6 explanations. As I said before, this is the third skill introduced in the reading portfolio. You will do 4 connections, 4 observations, which we've already discussed, 2 clarifications, and the next screencast will be about questions and inferences. Good luck extracting the themes. If you have any questions, make sure and get in contact with me. And have fun.